I'm Phil and I review stuff. It's taken me this long to realise that my destiny in life is reviewing stuff, but mainly software, stuff to make life easier, things to speed up time, to save processes, just anything that can make your or my life a little bit better. Today we're going to be looking at some software if you manage an online store or a real store that can really speed up the process, whatever platform you are already using. My link is always the best link to the best price or the best deal on this software, and I do update it regularly. So check it out, and any questions you've got about the channel or the software, pop them below and I'll try and answer them as quickly as I can. So today we are talking about Selldone, and like it says on the tin, it's all about selling and getting the job done. Let's jump in and have a look. So let's have a look at Selldone. Here we go. And this is the onboarding process. Basically just that easy. What is your area? It could be other. Maybe you sell sporting stuff. You might sell groceries or food or electronics. You could do a bit of crypto. Do crypto. Or you might run a course. Or you might even just have a blog and you want to sell some stuff on that blog. Whatever you do, pick your industry. What am I going to do? I'm going to sell eventually web development, and I'm going to sell an online course. So what are you going to do? You're going to decide what you want in your shop. So what's your currency? Really easy to set up. What's your currency? What's going to be your monthly sales? Does anybody else lie on these? Yeah, my monthly sales is going to be £1 million. And what is your business name? And you just type in your business name. Phil sells stuff. I would love it if one day I actually have a shop called Phil Sells Stuff. And on it, I sell stuff. Oh, it would be great. Just courses and stuff. What are you selling today? Just stuff. Right, so, and you can decide what you want to do. So e-commerce, point of sale, maybe it's a blog or a community forum. So we'll sell all those things and we're going to click go. It's asking me for my details. Obviously, I'm not showing them to you. And then it goes through the setup and you get this hallelujah screen. And my shop is ready to go. So starting off, and here is the dashboard. You've set it up, you've put in all your details, and this is the page you will get to first. The Selldone Dashboard. I like the look of this. Looks nice and simple. If you click on that button, it'll open your website. Obviously, that's just the automatically generated website. We're not going to look at that now because you'll get a chance later on to customize that, add your logo, make that into your own website, or even give somebody in your team who does the graphic design to make your website look really good. And it's got a PDF guide on how to make your first sale in e-commerce. And it's got your overview. So it's videos of how to use it at the start. So there's your dashboard. And on the dashboard, you can add products. It might be you've just got a blog, like we were talking about before, and you just want to sell a few products on your blog. So you can create a new product. And what is that? Oh, I like this, because look, what is that product or service? This is good. So you can create physical products, maybe a traditional store. I mean, we look at Shopify. I have tried traditional stores in the past, and how much did I pay for Shopify per month? And they've got your Shopify, because what they do, I'm not knocking Shopify, I might promote it one day. But what they do is they give you whatever it is, 14-day free trial, but then you've got to pay the $29 a month. Basically, if you're checking the link, the lifetime version might be available, and you're just off and you've got it. And once you've got it, you've got it. So it could be a physical product, a virtual product. You might be selling a file. So what do you mean by a file? It could be an online course. Or it could be anything that's downloadable. Or it might be a service. So it could be something that they book a service with you and you do them a Zoom call. There you can start your blog. You see, when I started reviewing this, I started thinking, I'm probably not going to use this. But now I'm thinking, I might start writing a blog and sell some of my stuff as well. Yeah. So you can create your blog and create new articles, which will be added onto the site as well. And obviously people can just find it as a blog. This is really well laid out. There's your orders when they come in. That's where they will appear. And it'll tell you what type of orders have come in. So when you're flying, all of the different orders. Not sure what the avocado one means, but point of sale as well. So if it is linked to an actual real store, you can set it up for point of sale, e.g. barcodes and all that. You can connect your channels where you're going to sell. Be it Google or Facebook, Instagram, of course. And then if you do print on demand, you can set up your Printful account. You can set up your Shopify store. So the products, if you've already got Shopify, you can import them into this, or Amazon. It does your accounting for you. You can set it up and you can work out all of your financial data, including the dreaded tax. Here's incentives. So wow, this is the best e-commerce software for a layout I've seen for a long time. You can add discount codes, obviously with a code, here, have this code, and link it up, set them all up, or personal codes for people, fill 2 or fill 20%. It's got your marketing channel where you can add a new campaign. Let's see what happens when you click a new campaign. That campaign might be an affiliate link, it could be emails or a funnel. That can be set up in it. So if you've got a physical store, you can have the inventory, all the stuff that's in stock. You've got your warehouse, you can say where you're keeping it. You can have a main warehouse and all different warehouses. It's actually very advanced, this. You can add your shipping, normal post cargo, motorbike. That's happening a lot more now, but you can add all the shipping services for your country and deal with those dreaded returns. It's a place for your customers. When they sign up, there you go. Have they subscribed to the newsletter? Can you send them emails? This is good, isn't it? SellDone. Now your category list. So, say you sell some electrical stuff and you also sell some online courses. You can add them all into there. This is where you can create your web pages. Oh, hang on. I'm going to buy this one now. This is where you can create landing pages, probably as many as you want. I wonder if you can link a domain. I'm getting some business ideas on this now. Decide which of your staff has access to all of your store. And maybe, yes, I'm expecting that you can add new staff and then give them a level what they can actually do. This is how your site will look on the web. That's how it looks like on iOS. And you can show how the site looks like on all of the different platforms. Loving that. Set up your information now. So an automation, say the inventory changes. When it gets to a certain point, you can change it and do this. When you get so many orders, it might change the price of something. And more settings. So your business name, your language. It's all there, isn't it? Yeah. Your store name, the description of your business. It's my awesome Phil Sell Stuff website. The contact of your business and an image for your business. And it's actually, look at that, all the way across the top. You've got your GDPR, your SEO, your license, everything in there. This looks like a really good contender to compete with the big boys. There's your point of sale. You can link up barcode scanners. So if you actually have an actual shop, you can actually link it all up and it'll tell you all about your inventory. Or you can link up your cash register. And then other apps you can link it up with. If you added a new app, for example, Facebook Messenger, you can add them into there. It's called SellDone and it looks like it does just about everything, doesn't it? What a great piece of e-commerce software. So let's give you my final thoughts. So would I use Sell Stuff? When I started making this video, I thought, no, I'm not going into e-commerce ever again. But the fact that I can get this possibly on a lifetime deal or on a cheap subscription and link it into my blog and sell possibly my stuff or other people's stuff, it's quite exciting. Is it versatile? Well, you saw me go through all the features there. There is so much in there. It just seems to do everything that any e-commerce platform would do, but it looks like it's really well laid out. And of course, you can link your existing e-commerce stores. It seems to do all the social media. It's got all of the automation. So versatile. Would I recommend it to my friends? Any of my friends who've got a small business, any of my friends who've got an online store, any of my friends who write a blog, or people in my industry, Sell Stuff seems to be a realistic competitor to the big boys like Shopify without the big monthly fees. So yes, I would recommend it to friends. I've just called it Sell Stuff again. SellDone. That's my review of SellDone. Go on, hit that subscribe button and you'll see more videos of me being very honest about software, running through it. I'm not an expert in any particular field, but I'm good at reviewing stuff and explaining how it works to people like me who aren't the whizzes themselves. So I will see you next time for another great video.